Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel and thanks for logging on. Today we're discussing the Glashütte Original Vintage 1970s Panorama date. You can see and you can purchase this German dress watch with a sporting flair on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos, and please click on the card in the upper right hand corner of the screen at any time during this video to see our full sales listing for this watch with additional accessories included in the sale, high resolution images for your desktop, and naturally complete pricing details for this Glashütte Original Vintage 1970s Panorama date. For some reason, and I say for some reason because it seems curious in light of just how few GEO requests I receive, this particular model line is the recipient of many requests, many comments, and many questions from those who seem inclined to buy. If I had to say GEO possesses a strong suit aside from its signature Pano inverse and Panomatic inverse, I would say it's probably this vintage collection 70s. Now, Panorama date and chronograph, they're both about 40 millimeters across the round of the case, from 9 to 3, not inclusive of crown guard or crown. In terms of thickness, they're not thick watches, they're not thin either, 11.8 millimeters, but with a generously sloped case flank, the watch will slide underneath any dress cuff. From lug to lug, it's approximately 50.7 millimeters, so full-sized but not oversized. This is a watch that features a lot of the charm and the integrated case lug bracelet aesthetic of the 1970s, and nevertheless, it is modern in its outright proportions, its fit, finish, materials, and engineering. The bracelet's a handsome piece, surprisingly complicated, but nicely executed. You can see there's a multiplicity of links, horizontally and lengthwise. You'll also note that each individual link is removable, and this allows for more precise sizing of the bracelet. The watch also has a micrometric sizing adjustment system that's engineered like a vintage Mercedes-Benz, remarkably solid, remarkably clever, and completely transparent. It allows you to move in and out in nicely defined increments. You can see the milling work on the interior of the clasp is absolutely beautiful. You depress the GEO signature on the outside and you're able to draw and withdraw. Twin trigger deployant, so it's effectively closed shut and permanently so until you actively disengage both sides. Not friction fit, it can't pop open, and you'll also note that there are broad channels between the links on the underside to avoid the pinching of skin or the pulling of hair. Clever and thoughtful. The finish is also quite handsome, nicely differentiated with satin and polished elements, as well as a large and medium and small individual links. A nice staggered bracelet, breaking up the mass of metal. Now in profile, the case is simple but handsome. Strong character lines, satin finished on the flanks, polished on the bezel, with a little bit of a polished bevel that runs the case lengthwise. The dial is simplicity itself. It's a sunburst in dark ruthenium. This is described as galvanized ruthenium sunburst by GEO. The indices are diamond polished dart style. It is a luminescent dial, so you can see it in low or no light. Simple GEO counterweight to the seconds hand, which is beautifully extended, and you can see there is an aperture ducking down to a white on black print double-digit date. It does feature a quick set. There's no pusher adjuster on the case flank. All adjustments are done from the crown. Now on the case back, more in-house watchmaking from GEO. This is their caliber 3947 automatic 40-hour power reserve. Beats away at a modern 28,800 vibrations per hour. You have the stop seconds functionality to set the watch to a timer. You have the quick set date to correct. You can also see handsome elements like the double spiral of the reduction wheel of the winding system, as well as stripes. They are Glashütte stripes, since we are in Germany, not Switzerland. They aren't Geneva waves. You can see them across the winding mass as well as the bridges. It's nicely executed movement with thoughtful details like polished screws and a polished swan's neck fine adjustment mechanism, of course automatic winding, and protected down to 100 meters thanks to secure seals. This is a versatile watch, though it has the spirit of a dress watch. The substance of it is very sporty. The look, the all-steel construction, the deluxe clasp, and the solidity of the clasp, as well as the water resistance, make this an excellent candidate for those who ask, if I were to own only one German watch, or even only one luxury watch, which would it be? This would be an excellent choice, and as I mentioned in my open, this is probably the most requested GEO review among all of their models, right up there with the Inverse series. So when you have something that works, it's best to run with it, and if you're looking to buy GEO, you may as well go with their one and only. See it and own it on our website.